And here we go with page 3 of our review. This time around, matrices. It could be helpful, for one, if you want to write these into or put these into your calculator, that could be helpful. Also remember, let's start by writing down the dimensions. So A is a 3 rows and 2 columns. B is a 1 row and 2 columns. C is a 2 by 2, and D is another 2 by 2. Something helpful to write down is its rows by columns. Rows go across, columns up and down. Maybe have that on your note card. Anyway, in order to add, they must be the same dimensions. So C and D, they're both 2 by 2s. One thing we can do, again, let's put these into the calculator. Second matrix, go over to edit. This is going to be a 3 by 2 for matrix A. We'll just plug them all in there, not 22, just 2. And we can type those in. 2, 2, -3, -6, 0, 7. Leave the matrix, go back in, over to edit, 2, and you can go ahead and make this one not 2 by 1, a 1 by 2. It's a nice thing. If you make a mistake, you'll see what it looks like. And quit that. Second matrix, over to edit, 3. This time we need a 2 by 2, -3, 0, 2, -1. And we're going to make one more 2 by 2 for matrix D. And that will be 12, 3, 5, -4. Okay. As for adding, so we can literally just do that operation in the calculator. Under matrix names, we're going to do C plus 2 matrix D. That's going to be 21, 6, 12, -9. That's a 6. So calculator. 3D minus 2B. This one, even before doing it, not possible. Why? Because they are different dimensions. B is a 1 by 2, and D is a 2 by 2. So simply not possible. 3C minus D. 3 times C minus matrix D. Oh man, look at that. Can you solve it? Silliness. Skip video. Come on. 3C minus D, -21, -3, 1, 1. There you have it. A times C. So let's think, is this possible? A is a 3 by 2, and C is a 2 by 2. Another thing to remember, these numbers need to match in order to multiply. These numbers on the end are what you result in. So another little snippet to possibly have for matrix multiplication. If that doesn't happen, simply not possible. Second matrix, we can call out matrix A and times matrix C, and we should get a 3 by 2 out. What do you know? There we go. -2, -2, -3, 6, 14, -7. And D times B. When in doubt, try it here. D times second B. Shouldn't work. Nope. Has to be dimension mismatch. So again, D is a 2 by 2. B is a 1 by 2. Those are not the same, so not possible. Okay. Solve the following equation for x and y. First off, let's distribute the 2 in front. That's going to be helpful. So this is going to be 4 minus 2, 2y, and minus 6. Matrix on the left. From here, you can remember that each part can be added to its corresponding part. So we're doing x plus -2. Similarly, we are worried about the 2y section, 2y and 3. Now the x plus -2 equals, on the other side, 4. The 3 plus 2y equals, on this side, 9. So we have x minus 2 equals 4, and we have 3 plus 2y equals 9. X minus 2 equals 4, that means x equals 6, adding the 2 over. And for the other one, 2y equals 6, divided by 2, and y equals 3. Did some math there, subtracting the 3. But that's the idea with those two. Solve the missing matrix by using inverse matrices, A inverse B. So remember that you would type this in as matrix A. So let's go under re-edit matrix A. This is now a 2 by 2. And we're going to do 0, -1, -2, and 1. And the second matrix we type in as matrix B. So matrix edit, re-edit B.
I'm so excited because today my mom and I are
matrix B, 2 by 2, -2, 6, 3, and -4. We're going to quit. We're going to do A inverse. Inverse is the matrix button. Must have the inverse button. Okay, and second matrix B. When you do that, we get this here. -0.5, that's -1/2. Don't be afraid of a fraction. -1 to -6. You could actually do math, enter, enter. That's going to make it a fraction for you. Solve matrices using RREF. Remember these ones, we put the coefficients in to our matrix. So -2, 6, and 3. 6, 1, 4. 1, -1, -3. And 4, 7, 7. When we put that into our matrix, okay, let's put this in for 3. For matrix C, we have a 3 by 4. And you're putting those coefficients in 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, -1, 7, 3, 4, -3, 7. And we quit, and we go in the matrix, and we go to math. Math, well, first matrix, then math, then down to RREF. Must have that. Call out RREF.
I'm so
and call out our matrix C, and we're going to get this here. Now, this is a special solution. 0, 0, 1, 0. I'm going to show you a few different things. 1 equals 0 at the end here. Okay, that's actually going to be our, what do we have? Z equals 0. So z equals 0. 1 equals 1. Y equals 1. And right here, x equals 1. So that is what's going on here. This represents 1x, 1y, and 1z. And we have our solution, 1, 1, 0. And that is the answer. Okay, so please be aware of that. Write down all those little tricks for yourself, and we'll move on to part 4 in the next video.